guys, welcome back to Niya's channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a first impression slash using of an eyeshadow palette I got a couple of years ago. So I got this eyeshadow palette and I have never ever used it, so I'm going to be using it for the first time today on my channel, and I'm going to quickly do my face routine. I'm sure you guys have seen me do this a million and one times, and aside that I have like a very new routine which I'm going to be sharing with you guys pretty soon. But just enjoy this video while I quickly do my face routine and dive into the eyeshadow part of the video. So guys, I don't even want to tell you how long I've had this eyeshadow palette and I have never ever used it. So I'm going to be using it today for this tutorial. I don't know what look I'm going to be creating, but it's the Allure magnet by BMO. This is what it looks like. I love the colors. The colors are so gorgeous and they actually look like what will be pigmented. I have swatched it sometime in 2018, so that's how long I've had this eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to be using it today to create a look. I don't know what look I'm going to be creating, but if you like to know what look I'm going to be creating, keep watching. So the first color I'm going to be using is this chestnut color. I love how like the orange is very rich. The chestnut color is a very rich orange shade. Oh, it's super pigmented. Blending brush. I'm using a blending brush and I'm applying this orange color all over my crease line. Really guys, this is super pigmented. You don't really need to add so much for the color payoff to be great. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this truffle, with this shade truffle, and using the same brush I'm just going to further deepen my crease. It's a very warm brown, not really warm, it's a deep brown shade. The colors are really pigmented, let me not lie. Concealer in creamy beige. So guys, I'm using the concealer as an eyeshadow base so that my eyeshadow will have something to stick to. I'm just going to gently blend this using another blending brush into my eyelid. Remember, I've already done a transition color. I'm going in first with this Tuscan Sun shade with my flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just gently packing this eyeshadow color onto my eyelid. Like, guys, this color is pigmented. I would have shown how super pigmented it was maybe by adding by spraying my brush, but I really wanted to see the true color of this eyeshadow. How rich the color is actually very pigmented. So imagine I've had this eyeshadow for over 2 years and I haven't used it, and the color payoff is still super great. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this balsamic shade here. It's a very burnt red, not really red or maroon, I don't know what to call it. So I'm just flipping the other side of my brush and I'm just going to be applying this basically and trying to blend it as well. I like the fact that I've gotten little or no eyeshadow fallout from this palette. Like, I'm so confident. I had to do my face first before doing my eye makeup, so it's really a good one. Then the last color I'm going to be using is the midnight color, and this is a black. I just hope this black is going to be worth it, because most times I really don't like buying I love black, so when I like to look for eyeshadow shades, I like to look for colors, eyeshadow colors that have black in it. But over the years, I've not seen any eyeshadow palette that has a very, you know, cool black inside. But I'm going to be trying this for the first time. Oh wow, can you guys see? Oh, okay, sisters, okay. Okay, so the black is really black. Like, I just packed it on because I wasn't sure of what I was going to be getting, so I just packed on the black. Then I'm going to go in with the first transition color I used, which was the chestnut, and I'm going to be slightly using this to blend everything all together. So I think this completes the eye look. I don't think I want to do anything else. So I did my eyebrow quickly off camera. I didn't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to be taking my eyebrow mascara. This is from Usher's Cosmetics. It's very affordable. So I'm just going to take this and just create. So the next thing I want to do is just to line my eyes. I'm going to be doing this strictly away from camera. I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back with you guys. So guys, I ordered these lashes from AliExpress towards the end of last year, and I received it a couple of days ago. This lash is the truth, guys. I am so in love with this lash. So guys, I'm adding this Bianco glitter from the same eyeshadow palette, just for my lid to pop more, and you know, me trying my hands on it. I'm going in with my Real Makeup powder palette, and I'm going in with my own powder shade just to set the rest of my face. So guys, I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose and using the powder to cover that out. So my lip is from Classic Cosmetics. I can't remember the name of this lip stain or lip color, but I love how gorgeous the color is. And I'm going to be mixing it with my Glassy lip stain as well, and that one is in the shade Nude. I wanted to create like an ombre, but I didn't want the ombre to be super obvious. So that is how I was able to complete this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy this look because I am actually digging this eyeshadow palette. I'll see you all in my next video, guys. Do have a fab day ahead. Bye. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends.